Hello everyone, watch how I made my Bling sneakers, except I forgot to record this, so I made a different one for my niece, which you're about to watch right now. All right, first start with a plain pair of sneakers. I got these from Hobby Lobby. All right, crystals from Amazon. To pick up the crystals with. E6000 glue, and let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is basically take some glue and just put a line here and then put the crystals on top. Yep, then just pick up your crystals and place it like that. See? Pick it up and place it all on the top. Yeah, now I'm just gonna like put some glue along the sides and just add some crystals on top. You'll see. Yep, so I've got my glue on there. Now just, pick it up and add the crystals. See? Like that. Just cover the whole shoe. So when I do in the second row, don't place the crystals like right on top of each other. Place it like in between the crevices, kind of like this. It's hard to explain, I'll just show you. Like so. See? Like that. And then when you get to the nose, you could either use the same size crystals or you could just use the small ones. I'm probably gonna use the small ones on the nose. You'll see when I get to it. Yep, now use the smaller stones for this part here. Like that. All done with this one. Now repeat with the other one. All done. All done. So sparkly. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Bling. Oh my gosh, y'all. The bling is unreal. Ah, yes. This is my pair. Made this about a month ago. See, you can also make them for grown-ups. Super simple to do.